Hello. Let's discuss about the various testing in software development model and its applications.
Hi, I am Sriram. I will talk about testing. Testing in software qualities and correctness. OSC testing is a complex due to encapsulating unit ends and polyarism. Types of testing: unit testing, inheritance testing, system testing, acceptance testing, class testing. Unit testing check individual classes and methods. Inheritance testing verify interaction between the objects. System testing evaluate the interaction between the complex applications. Acceptance testing ensure user requirements are needs. Class testing focus on attributes and methods of classes. White box testing check internal code and structures. Testing helps to identify bugs and error fielding, improve software reliability and performance, reduce maintenance cost, ensure better user application.
Nice explanation.
Here I am explaining about unit testing. Unit testing is a software testing technique where individual components or units of the program are tested separately. Importance of unit testing. Unit testing is very important because it helps identify bugs early in development. It ensures each classes and methods works correctly before integrating with others. Disparatives. In object-oriented system, unit testing focuses on testing classes, objects, methods. Since objects interact with each other, testing individuals units helps maintain scalability. Advantages of unit testing: detect errors clearly, improve code equality, makes debugging easier, support code reusability, helps in safe big projects. Tools used in unit testing are Java, Net, Python, etc. Challenges of unit testing: testing dependent classes, handling object interactions, time consuming for large systems. Thank you.
Black box testing is a software testing technique where the tester checks the functionality of system without knowing an internal code of structure. In simple words, we only focus on input and output. How the system works internally. For example, if we test a login page, we enter username and password and check whether it's login success or email. We don't worry about how the board processes. In black box testing, it's mainly used to test the class, object, method and interface. We ensure that each component works correctly based on the requirement. Black box testing has several advantages. It does not require program knowledge and it tests from the user point of view and it helps to find missing functionalities. Conclusion: black box testing is an important role in OSC. It ensures that the system works correctly according to user requirement and provides a good experience.
Hello, myself Sebastian. I would like to explain about white box. For example, white box testing is a testing technique where the internal structure, code and logic of the program are tested. Also called structural testing, glass box testing, clear box testing. It focuses on test the internal working of the software performed by usually done by developers since they know the code. Types of white box testing: statement coverage, check if all lines of code are executed; branch coverage, checks all decision branches; path coverage, checks all possible execution paths; loop testing, test loops. Advantage of white box: it helps find hidden errors in code, improves code quality and optimization. It ensures all paths are tested. Detects security issues. Disadvantages of white box: requires programming knowledge, time consuming for large programs, non-effective for missing requirements. Only checks codes, not functionality. Thank you.
integration and system testing. Integration testing. Integration testing is the process of combining two or more modules of a system and testing them together to ensure they work correctly as a group and properly exchange data. System testing. System testing is the process of testing a complete and fully integrated software system to verify that it meets the specified requirements and work correctly in a real-world conditions. Let me explain integration and system testing with a real-life example of an online shopping applications like Amazon. In this system, there are multiple modules such as user login, product search, cart, payment, and order tracking. During integration testing, these modules are combined and tested together. For example, when a user adds a product to the cart and proceeds to payment, we check whether the cart module correctly sends data to the payment module. If the price and quantity is not transferred properly, the integration has failed. After successful integration testing, we move to system testing, where the entire application is tested as a whole. Here we verify if the complete system meets user requirements. For instance, we test whether a user can search for a product, place an order, make payment, and receive confirmation smoothly without any error. This ensures that the application works correctly in the real world scenarios and provide a seamless user experience.
Regression testing is a type of programming to ensure that implementation code is not affected by existing functionality of the system. Purpose of regression testing to verify that previous working process is function and the average changes derived variables caused by modification code. And regression testing is that bug fixes and new features performance improvements, code refactoring, software modifications. Types of regression testing: unit regression testing, partial regression testing, complete regression testing. Tools used: unit testing and the Cypress. Challenges of regression testing: selecting appropriate test process for regression, maintaining log tests, handling frequent code changes, managing training. Conclusion: regression testing plays a crucial role in maintaining software quality after update or modifications. It can be time consuming automation and make efficient and reliable.